When the power goes out at home, this right here is the alternative to a gas-powered generator. It's from Anker. It's their SOLIX F2600 portable power station. And look at this. This thing means business. You can power your car. You can power your refrigerator. You can power your freezer. So let's go ahead and unbox it just to show you what it looks like. It's big and it's going to be hard to take apart. So let's see if I can pick this up. Oh, this is nice. Check this out. Comes with the pack, and I'm assuming all of the cables. And yep, so all the cables that you need conveniently come into this pack, because it really doesn't work if you don't have the necessary cables for it. So I'm just going to put that aside. It's also got a user manual, very important. Definitely read that later. Let's take this styrofoam off, and there it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to get up. This thing is extremely heavy. Oh cow! Ah, damn. Holy moly, that thing is heavy. Let's take this plastic off. There you go. Now, just by looking at it, big difference. You see that 220 kind of connection. You're gonna be able to charge your electric car with this bad boy in the event of an extended power outage. You also have 4 AC connections, standard ones, 2 car sockets. The other ones only had 1. And then also on the bottom, you have 2 USB-A ports and also 3 USB-C ports. So you could charge pretty much everything, your tablet, like I said, even your refrigerator with this. What makes it interesting is that it does have these wheels, and just like a suitcase, it has this design so that it's easy to carry. In the event of a power outage, you pull this out. Any kind of device that you need that plugs into the wall, you're going to be able to charge with this one. Now, you could also connect it to a solar panel. So if you're out in like camping or just out in Timbuktu, we have no electricity. Say you are building a cabin. You have all these electric tools. You connect this with the solar panel, get the energy from the sun, charge your portable power station, and then charge your tools to continue working. I just think this is just a great investment. Retails for about $3,000, but if you live in an area where a lot of power outages are, or you just need power, you know, out in the boonies, this is something to check out. I'm gonna do a full review of this. I actually do have the solar panels, so once the weather gets better, I'm gonna check this out and see how long it takes to fully charge from 0 with the sun. So be sure to look for that when it does come out. In the meantime, I'm going to plug this in and get it fully charged to see what devices I can charge with it.